Hey everyone, downsizing isn't just for seniors or if you're retired, although a lot of people who do downsize are seniors and retiring. Maybe you're moving simply to a smaller home. I know a lot of people going from 4,000 square feet to 2,000 square feet, or maybe to home to a condo, an apartment, an RV, and they're like traveling the world. Or you might have a senior that's moving to a care facility and you need to support them. Maybe you just want to simplify life. Don't need necessarily need to become minimalist, but you're just tired of so much stuff. Or you've inherited a lot of possessions, or you're getting married and combining homes. Those are a couple reasons why you might consider downsizing. On Saturday, March 26th, we're going to be having our class on how to downsize your stuff and your life. One of the things that we're going to talk about is kind of the emotional and mental aspect of downsizing. Additionally, we're going to be talking holistically. And what I mean by this is what do you need to downsize in your life? Maybe it's your doubt, maybe it's some relationships, because the inner is related to the outer and vice versa. So if we're going to downsize our stuff, what else in our life can we downsize? Click the link below to learn more information about our class on how to downsize your stuff in your life. Hope to see you there.